Hi guys, it's Tammy, and do you guys ever fall for those Instagram, the ads that you see? Oh my goodness. I'm a sucker sometimes, but I found these cards. It's called Lovepop, and they were having a sale, of course, because that's why they advertised it on Instagram. And I found these cards for not a lot, and I know that I make cards, so it's kind of dumb to buy cards, but I have to say the packaging is really cool. They did a good job and it didn't bend, so that's fabulous. And this says hundreds of unforgettable designs for every occasion. And these are like cards that pop up, and it's just really a 3D, really just cool. And this says, be reminded of all your special days with the complimentary Lovepop reminders at holidays and birthdays and important dates. You'll receive an email and the perfect time to order your Lovepop card. And we'll include a list of cards handpicked just for your loved one. How cool is that? That's pretty neat. That's a pretty neat thing. Oh, and they also will add a little note and send it straight to them if you want them to. So this one actually has a sticker on it that says $13, but I know I didn't spend $13 on it. But look at this card. You open it up and it has Supermom, and isn't that awesome? And there's a slide out note card included, so you just pull that out. So, I know I make cards, but I can't make cards like this. Or if I could, it would take me a long time. This says, congrats. So this one's for my daughter, who will be graduating not until May. I know I'm early, but I figured, why not? Let's open this one and see how this works. So it has the graduation owl. Hey there, what you're holding in your hands represents the unexpected. That's what Lovepop is all about. Even our company story is kind of unexpected. A journey beginning designing real, life-size ships that float in the ocean. And now we design amazing handmade paper surprises. Frankly, nobody saw that coming. Just like you, nobody expects a Lovepop. Whenever you give a Lovepop to a special someone in your life, you get to see them go from, oh, a card, to, oh man, what is this? Look at this. That's the kind of magic we live for, and it's kind of an unexpected you should expect from Lovepop. And then it says love, Wambi and John. So that's kind of cool. Has a nice thick envelope. And this is the front of it. Congrats. And even that is just really pretty. Aww. And then the little owl pops up. And it has the cords over here. Wow, that is cute. On his little tail even. Oh my goodness. It does make you want to play with it, and it is really cute. And then I like the back. I really like how they cut all of that into the card. Congrats. That's really cute. I think she'll like it. I only wish that you could pick the colors, because, her colors aren't red, but that's okay. And it's neat how it stays open. Well, now I got to see the other one. I thought it was going to be way more complicated than that, but it is not. It is way cute. So let's open the other one too and see what that looks like. I just didn't want to break it. I didn't want to break this one either, but I thought this one looked a little simpler. So that's the reason I picked this one to look at first. So that's really cute. All right, so then this one has the same envelope and Supermom. Oh my gosh, look at how cool that one is. Oh, and her cape is like glittery gold. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. No wonder it's $13. Now I didn't pay that because I found them on sale. But you know what? I think this would be worth $13. This is really cool. And then it has a pop-out card that you can write your stuff on. That's really neat too. I just like just that. I never really thought of that because there are some cards that I do that I don't really have much space to write. I could make a pop-out. Or a pull-out. This one doesn't want to fit in there very well though. There, now it is. Something isn't right though. I'll play with it. But how cool is that? And I love that it's on both sides. And her dress is metallic. The clouds are awesome. I have to touch it. The little town over here. That is pretty cool. That is really cool, actually. Look at that. Hope you guys are seeing that okay. Let me put this behind it. Isn't that so cool? Doop, doop, doop. And I love that it's not complicated. You just open the card. You know how, I don't know, I've seen some of these before, and that's why I thought it would be kind of complicated, where you have to open it really carefully and gingerly, and you're hoping that it doesn't break. And this one is not like that. I mean, I am just opening the card. This is cute. I don't even know why they have a pop-out on this one, because I really don't think you need, or the pull-out, I don't think you really need it with this, because I think there's plenty of room to write, but it's an extra neat kind of feature. So I love it. So all in all, I am liking these Lovepop cards. I won't do it often, but occasionally, maybe for a special treat for someone, I would recommend it. So yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you guys check it out. Again, it is Lovepop. And you can find them on Instagram. Instagram ads. Don't be like me. No, it is cute. So there, yay, I'm excited. And look, I mean, they have all sorts of other ones. All sorts. This one's cute, a little birdhouse. And they are different prices. So the more basic, the less expensive. So cute. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.